Okay. Truth is, Spencer. Oh my god, what is going on with my hair? Okay, anyway, sorry about that. I'm really tired. And it's hot in here. I didn't think I was doing any more Truth is videos. So I really don't care if I look like crap. Anyways, you're a really nice guy. And you're really tall. And we used to go to school together. And you have like an adorable smile. And oh god, you're just adorable looking. And I'll probably see you at Strawberry Fest because I go there every year. That's it. Hope life's going good for you, I guess. Bye. Well, okay, the stop button will not work. Okay, this is getting awkward. Okay. Oh.